Why can your phone send a message without any wires? Why can microwaves heat food but not metal? And how can doctors see your bones without opening your body? All of that comes from electromagnetic waves, energy traveling through space without needing air, water, or any medium at all. Take a long skipping rope. Hold one end and flick your hand. A ripple travels down the rope even though your hand never moved the whole rope. Only the energy moved. That's exactly how electromagnetic waves behave, except they don't need the rope. They move through empty space itself. This is the Learning Studio, where we make the invisible world make sense. Electromagnetic waves are created when electric fields and magnetic fields keep creating each other. A vibrating charge creates a changing electric field that creates a changing magnetic field that creates another electric field, and the wave continues outwards forever. No particles needed, no air needed, just pure energy moving through space at the speed of light. And all electromagnetic waves, from radio signals to X-rays, are the same kind of wave. The only difference is frequency and wavelength. Long wavelengths, low frequency, low energy. Short wavelengths, high frequency, high energy. Now the electromagnetic spectrum suddenly makes sense. Radio waves, huge wavelengths, used in radio, TV, Wi-Fi, mobile signals. Travel far, penetrate walls easily, carry information. Microwaves, used in ovens and radar. They heat food by shaking water molecules. Infrared heat waves, remote controls, thermal cameras, heaters. Visible light, the tiny slice we can actually see. Red equals longer wavelength. Blue equals shorter wavelength. Ultraviolet, higher energy, causes tanning, sunburn, sterilization. X-rays, even higher energy, pass through skin but not bone, perfect for imaging. Gamma rays, the highest energy, released by nuclear reactions and cosmic events. Even though they seem completely different, they are all just different versions of the same wave. And here's the part most students never connect. Every time you call someone, stream a video, use Wi-Fi, open a garage door, heat food, or get an X-ray, you're interacting with electromagnetic waves. They carry information, energy, and signals across the world at the speed of light. Now think about this. If electromagnetic waves can travel through empty space, how do we generate them intentionally, focus them, shape them, and receive them with antennas and sensors? That leads straight to optics and communication systems, the next step in understanding how our modern world functions.